What does accredited in business valuation mean? Accredited in business valuation, often called ABV, is a professional certification given to accountants who specialize in valuing businesses. In simple words, it means a person is officially qualified to calculate how much a business is worth. The Accredited in Business Valuation credential is awarded to certified public accountants who have advanced knowledge and skills in business valuation. Business valuation is the process of determining the economic value of a company. Professionals with an ABV certification help businesses understand their true financial worth. They are often involved in mergers, acquisitions, investments, legal disputes, and financial planning. To earn the ABV credential, a professional must meet education, experience, and examination requirements. They must also have strong knowledge of finance, accounting, and valuation methods. Common valuation methods include the income approach, market approach, and asset-based approach. An accredited in business valuation professional analyzes financial statements, market conditions, risks, and future earnings. Their valuation reports are used by investors, courts, business owners, and financial advisors. This certification increases professional credibility and trust. Companies prefer certified valuation experts because their analysis follows professional standards. ABV professionals may work as consultants, auditors, financial analysts, or valuation specialists. In simple terms, accredited in business valuation means a certified expert who is trained to determine the value of a business. Easy way to remember. Accredited in business valuation means officially certified to calculate business worth.